Hello everybody. Hey, I'm going to try to turn this to this. Stick around and I'll show you what I did. Okay, this is not going to be a full tutorial on how to build this thing. This is just to inspire people, give you a few ideas. I will show you what I used and explain the choice. Most of these have another little metal bracket up on this side, and then you can attach a globe or a light fixture on the top of it. It'll be obvious when I build this why I chose this one. And if anybody wants this, I'll throw a link in the description. I just picked this up at Amazon. So if anybody is interested, you can follow my channel, subscribe. It's free to you, and it kind of inspires me to make more videos if people are interested in it. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down in the comment section, and I'll get to them as quick as I can. I do have a day job. So anyway, I appreciate everybody. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to turn this skateboard into a light. Now, I've never done this before, so we're just going to kind of bumble through it. I've got about 5 projects on my bench at the same time, so everything's a bit cluttered. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all the trucks off. You know, I'm not a skateboard person, so I did not realize that the plastic was on the board before all of the hardware was put on. But the plastic wrap is under all of the hardware. I'm going to attempt to incorporate these into my design. So I think what I'm going to do is take these apart and then use this to actually mount the lamps. So we'll see how that works. Just one, looks like one nut holding that thing on there. So get that off, I'll be back. Okay, this part of it turned out exactly like I wanted. You got to cut these screws off a little bit, but got a couple of eye hooks or hooks on this side of the board, and that's where the chain will be suspended from, and it'll hang down with the lights underneath it, just like the wheels. So I got to go wire it up. I'm going to solder this, and I'm going to put some heat shrink on it. I'm not going to show that part of it. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so this is with all the wires attached, and now I've got to do some cable management, but that's for another time. So this is what it looks like with these CFLs in here, and I thought CFLs will look best because of the curly Q. They kind of look like a wheel. So there you go. If you're interested in something like that, it's a fairly easy project.